Greetings, my dear students. Today I'd like to discuss with you the topic relationship of managerial economics with other disciplines. The first one is relationship of managerial economics with microeconomics. Microeconomic analysis is helpful in formulating business policies relating to production, price, etc. Managerial economics makes use of microeconomic concepts such as elasticity of demand, marginal analysis, market structures, etc. in managerial decision making. Relationship of managerial economics with macroeconomics. Macroeconomics helps the management executives to understand the environment in which business operates. So we can forecast and plan production in accordance with that. The important macroeconomic concepts that are used in managerial economics include concepts of business cycle, national income, employment, investment, etc. Relationship of managerial economics with statistics. Statistical techniques are helpful in collecting, processing, and analyzing the most useful and reliable data for decision making. Statistical tools like theory of probability, forecasting techniques, trend projections, multiple regression techniques, etc. are used for forecasting future events. Measures of central tendency like the mean, median and mode, and the measures of dispersion, correlation, regression methods of least squares, etc. are used in managerial economics in decision making process. Relationship of managerial economics with mathematics. The use of mathematics in economic theories has made managerial economics more precise and logical. Managerial economics uses considerable amount of algebra, geometry, logarithm, calculus, diagrams, simples, etc. for estimating various economic relationships and employing them in decision making and forward planning. Relationship of managerial economics with operations research. Operations research is the application of mathematical and statistical techniques in solving business problems. Sales and production are interrelated. We need to produce in accordance with the estimated sales. The interrelationship and relative efficiencies of such business aspects can be studied with the help of operations research. Linear programming, techniques of inventory control, game theory, etc. are helpful to find out the optimum combination of various factors to achieve the objectives like maximization of profit, minimization of cost and time, etc. Relationship of managerial economics with accounting. The profit and loss statement reflects the operational efficiency of the firm. The balance sheet tells the financial position of the firm. Accounting provides right information to take right decision regarding the operation and functioning of the firm. So these are the relationships of managerial economics with different disciplines. Thank you.